Hello guys, welcome to another exciting video on tradingcanal.com. My name is Tony and I'm going to be showing you how to install the smart market structure concept indicator for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. So let's quickly get started. The first thing you need to do is to head over to tradingcanal.com here and search for the smart market concept. I can also drop this link in the description below for you. So the product is just $25 only. It's one time, then you can download it and then you can also install feature updates for free. Okay, so you can add that to your cart and check out. There are so many options for payments. We have the crypto, we have every other payment gateways here. Okay, so you can click on checkout. In case you don't see the payments option that suits you here, you can just head over to the checkout page. You can pay with Skrill, pay with cryptocurrency. And also don't forget to add your broker here so that we can actually know the broker that most of our customers are using so that we can try to improve trading strategies to suit your broker condition more. And if you're new to this channel and you'd like to gain more insights on how to use Forex robots or trading softwares of any kind, give us a follow. It helps us improve our reach. So let's get started here. So I've already downloaded my smart market structure concepts for MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 here. You can see it here. We have for the MetaTrader 4, we have the DLO file, we have the indicator file, and then we have the template file. So guys, before you download this file, there's a possibility your antivirus might not allow you to download it. So before you download the file, make sure to disable your antivirus real-time protection. And to do that, just head over to your settings here and head over to your security. Click on virus protection here. Click on manage settings here and then turn off your real-time protection. Okay, and this tutorial applies for just people that are downloading robots from tradingcanal.com. If you're downloading robots from any Telegram group or any other websites, this tutorial is not for you, because I've noticed in the past few weeks that people now understand that people need to disable their antivirus protection before downloading the systems. There's a potential to add malicious files which you can download to your system and could cause harm to your system, or could also expose critical information from your system. So please, if you are downloading these robots from tradingcanal.com, then you can proceed to disable your antivirus protection. But if you're not downloading these robots from tradingcanal.com, I do not recommend that. Okay, so we have the other file here, we have the indicator, we have the template, and then the tutorial is just like always, guys. So just copy the other file, close your MetaTrader 4, right click on your settings, right click on the MetaTrader app, click on properties, click on open file location, and this is the default installation location for the DLL file. So just copy the file here. Okay, and once you do that, guy, you can open up the MetaTrader form, and once you do, it's gonna log you out, and then you're gonna have to put in your password and then select your server and then click on reset. Okay, so make sure to do that, and then once you do that, click on file and open your data folder. Okay, just gonna go back to our previous file here, then go back to MetaTrader 4. Then you can copy the indicator. You don't need to copy all of the indicators. There are just several versions. Okay, there are just several versions. You don't need to copy all of them. So you can just copy the most recent one, which is the version 10. As you can see, 10.2. There's a 10.1. Okay, 10.6. So you can actually download the 10.6 or the 10.2, whichever one you prefer, and then you paste it. You head over back to your file. Click on MQ4. Click on indicators. Then you can paste the file here. Okay, and then the last thing for you to do here is to head over to your MetaTrader 4. You copy your template here, then you head over back to your file, click on MK4, go back a little bit, click on templates, then paste the template here. So once you're done with the template here, you can cancel out of here, right click on your navigator, refresh here. Let's just bring up symbol here, just bring up GBP USD here. Awesome, this is on the 1 hour time frame. Let's bring this down to the 15 minutes time frame here, and then you right click here, click on templates, click on the smart market concept one. Now it's going to bring up the colors that you actually need for your expert advisors to run, okay, or your indicators rather. Okay, so we're just going to head over to this point here. We have the version 10.6. Just going to right click on that, then you can see the settings here that we have. Okay, have general settings, and then we have the rest of that. So you can review that and modify which colors you want for your system. Okay, so we click on OK, and then you can see everything that's currently been set up for us. Okay, then you can see the time is now actually changing. Okay, so everything looks good, guys. The same concept applies to the MetaTrader 5. I'm not going to be loading the MetaTrader 5 in this tutorial But the same concept also applies to MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 5 has DLL and the indicators. Okay. So all you just need to do is to copy the files to the required folders and then load the indicator for the file, and it's going to work perfectly. Okay, so everything looks good. Let's just backtest the system now to actually see how it works. Okay, so I'm just going to right click here. I'm going to cancel this out here. I'm going to backtest the, click on indicator here. To backtest this version 10.6, and let's just backtest in visual mode on the 15 minutes time frame. Then click on start. I'm going to pause this out. So you can actually backtest the system and then see its place, break of structure, resistance, and then the rest of that, guys. So you can see everything is currently running on backtest here. So guys, if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us at the Trading Kernel support team at support@tradingkernel.com. I'm more than happy to respond to you. So guys, I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.